this is what I ate today.
All right.
Vegan holiday, pre-holiday edition.
And a Friday edition. We're shooting this on a Friday.
And we're going to have pizza tonight, but I have an idea for the pizza. I hope you're going to be receptive to it, because I thought, what if we made a hero calzone for dinner?
Interesting.
Like if I made the vegan gluten, like a loaf of the beef or Greek beef. And then we wrapped it up into a calzone, and the sauce would be like a vegan tzatziki with tomato and onion and...
Possibly. I gotta say, I'm not huge on... Sorry, my skin's really bad right now. I'm not huge on the, like, seitan meat.
Yeah, but I have the Greek seasoning.
I know, I love the Greek seasoning, but I don't really like that kind of meat, you know what I mean?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll slice it really thin, though.
Alright, we'll see.
It's not going to be like a big chunk of tongue or something.
Ew! Alright, we'll discuss. But anyway, what are you having right now?
I'm having some of this beautiful cranberry pecan bread.
That's like a fancy artisan bread.
It is an artisan bread. It's from the bakery at the supermarket. We're really fortunate to have a nice bakery at our ShopRite. And they make the breads there, and I always buy it when it's marked down.
Nice.
Which is awesome, because I'm not paying $6 a loaf.
Hell no.
So that's what I'm having this morning. I usually do intermittent fasting, but since my procedure, if you guys didn't know, I have kidney stones, and I'm at the beginning, the very beginning of my battle to get rid of them. You're gonna have to go in there and take them. But I've suspended the intermittent fasting because the medication that they gave me, I have to take with food. Yeah. So I can't not eat in the morning. I'll get so nauseous that I won't be good for anything, and I don't want to feel like that either. So no. I'm going to have some vegan butter on that. Okay. What are you having? I'm having a Cliff Bar. It is chocolate chip peanut crunch because I'm going to work out later. I think I'm going to do your hair first, if that's okay. Oh, we're doing hair today. It's a hair day. Oh. It's a maintenance day. And then I'm going to jump on the bike, so I need that energy to get through that. Get on your bikes and ride. That's right. Yep. Lunchtime. And it's like breakfast. Well, brunch. And who's cooking up some tofu scramby? Oh, that's good. I don't know. I feel like I'm too light-handed with the seasoning. Well, then add more. I did, but... Did you taste it? Yeah. And? Well, I didn't taste the newest yet. Okay. Also, I feel like my tofu is really, like, loosey-goosey. Well, let it dry out a little bit more. You gotta let it cook a little bit more. I think that's my problem. I don't just, like, let things sit for long enough. Okay. So we're gonna let that go. Well, knowing you have a problem is the first step. Admit you have a problem. I think the first step though is believe in a higher power, but I could be wrong. I never went to 12 steps. I was gonna be really lazy today and just like do whatever, but I really wanted this, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna freaking do it. I'm just gonna make it. I'm gonna enjoy it. All right. Well, I'm not having that. I'm not the biggest fan of tofu scramby. I mean, I like it. I love it. I really like this garbage soup that we had last night too. It was good. Got some basmati rice here, and I'm gonna heat some of this up in a giant bowl because I'm starving. My stomach was growling since we were doing my hair. Hungry. I guess I should tell you guys what's in this. Okay. So we've got extra firm tofu. We've got these angel sweet, like grape tomato thingies. Yeah. We've got shiitake mushrooms. Yes, we also have a recipe for this on this channel. Just search it. Tofu scramble. It's a thing. I think that's what we called it. I don't have peppers. Right. I was too lazy to do an onion, so I used onion powder. But perfectly acceptable, but it was onion, granulated onion, granulated garlic, red hot, turmeric, nutritional yeast, and I'm going to be putting in this, which sausage is this? Field roast. Okay. Field roast apple sage. Yeah. Mmm, the premium. So, hopefully it'll be good. That is the Rolls Royce. That is the Bugatti of sausages. Bugatti for real. Yeah, because I haven't tried the Beyond sausage yet, so I have no idea if that's good, better, or best, or bad. I mean, it looks like a tofu scramble. Yeah. Scramby. Let's get a taste of it, and then I'll put the sausage in. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got.
know. I feel like I'm still bland.
Add more Red Hot.
Yeah. The thing is, this kept getting stuck, so maybe I should just use the spoon side.
Oh, maybe, but do it in your hand first. Okay, Gramps.
I'll live on the wild side for once in my life.
Wow, shocking. That's a lot.
Okay.
That's a lot.
We're gonna be drinking for days after this.
Probably.
Sean and I.
Well, that's good. You need your waters.
Yeah.
Trust me. You need it. All right. We'll check back for the finished product. All right. There's my beautiful bowl of garbage soup. And see, your tofu scramby turned out very nicely.
I mean, it's all in taste, though. You know that.
Well, I'm sure it's amazing.
Let's see.
And you've got some delicious Dave's Killer Bread, superseded, with some vegan butter. Don't burn your mouth.
Pretty good.
All right.
All right.
Well, enjoy brunch.
Quite pleased with myself now.
Nice.
I will be drinking all day.
Yeah.
Baby. Oh, good boy, baby. So it is food time. I didn't really have like a normal lunch today because we ate like brunch. So I'm just gonna have a nice like hearty-ish snack right now. Some pretzel crisps, like those thin pretzel chips, with some Sabra roasted garlic hummus. We're almost out of this one, so we're gonna have to get more soon because this house runs on hummus. But I'm gonna enjoy that. I think we are having a special dessert tonight. We're gonna make some cake because we were just watching the British baking show Christmas blah 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 on Netflix, and we really want cake now. So it's happening. It's happening. But I think we're gonna do the sweet potato cake. So it's like semi-healthy-ish.
I think it's more than semi.
Yeah, I guess it's pretty healthy. I think Mom really deserves a treat too this week after what she's been through.
Been through hell, okay?
Been through hell. Don't look at all this mess.
Just trying to do some laundry here.
All right, well, I'm gonna go eat my snack.
All right, it's time for dinner, and I am not that hungry. I didn't eat that much today because I felt nauseous a lot. So, we're having pizza.
Ooh, it looks gorgeous.
There's some vegetarian pizza over here. There's some vegan pizza over here. We've got a potpourri salad.
What's in the salad?
The salad is red onion, cucumber, tomato, red pepper, shredded carrot, and the house dressing.
What's in the house dressing?
It's a secret.
No, it's not. We made a video about it.
Yeah, it's just a vinaigrette. So, with some sea salt. Good stuff. Yeah! I hope it's delicious.
Red onion!
But the real crowning jewel here is Maddie's dessert tonight.
You basically told me it looked like it was going to be bad.
No, come on.
We'll see. It's in the toaster oven.
Maddie's
right now.
making a sweet potato cake.
Yes.
And we have this beautiful organic chocolate frosting for the top. Woo! Because we've been watching the Great British Baking show, the holiday edition, all day today. And by all day, I mean two episodes.
Yeah.
So, you like that show? You like the Great Light Fight. Is that on tonight?
I don't think so.
Oh, are we too late?
It was like a Monday night thing.
Yeah, you're right.
Whatever.
Sean said nicely done. Thank you, Sean.
It is the beautiful sweet potato cake.
Ooh.
I just love how smooth the top comes out.
What happened?
What?
Kristen got a hair on it.
Oh, yeah. So my sister
Dug
broke into the
it.
cake. She said it was really good.
Is that icing that goes with this?
She said.
And there is.
Yup. See?
Yeah. So,
She said it's really thick.
yeah. We were a little nervous before I put this in the oven because the color wasn't looking chocolatey like it normally does. That's because we used an orange sweet potato instead of purple.
Yeah.
But then once you bake it, it does get that darker brown color like a chocolate cake. So I think it looks good.
All right.
We're gonna serve it up. We're gonna put some icing on. We also have a
recipe for this on this channel.
Yeah, we do.
Sweet potato chocolate cake.
If you guys are interested.
It's a winner.
It is. It really is.
You could open a bakery based on that cake.
Rave reviews every time you make it.
Okay. I'm gonna go lay down.
Yeah. I'm gonna serve this up. That is the end of our eating for the day.
We ate some good food today.
Yeah.
It was good stuff. I really like the garbage soup.
It was, yeah.
I like that. So, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you got some inspirations.
And happy Christmas.
Yes, happy Christmas. We should have done, and this is what I ate holiday edition, but
I want to keep my holidays free of work. No offense.
Yeah, she's right. Well,
it's nice to put the camera down every once in a while.
Yeah. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate you, and until next time, much love.